Welcome back to the monster of a build we are currently doing in Market Raisin in Lincolnshire. Now this is a 13.5 metre by 6 metre building. We've managed to get hold of the windows and doors, and we've managed to get hold of the fixing kits, which is a big plus. Now today we're going to try and get most of the roof system done. If you've somehow stumbled across part 3 and you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can check them out, and you should probably look at them first. Now, it's not quite as cold today as it has been the last couple of days. We're not in the minors, it's 2 degrees at the minute, but it is still a little bit cold, so we better get cracking. So we've managed to get all of the doors and all of the windows in that we can at the moment. Now, there is a load of cube timber that's supposed to go down the side of these that is on most of the windows, but these don't have them. So what we're going to have to do is wait until we get the architraves out of this pack here. But we're going to leave that till a little bit later on. What we're actually going to start doing now is get all of the apexes put on, and then get our rafters dug out and crack on with that. Apex pieces in, the first ones anyway. It's now time for one big thing, the purlins. I don't know why I was expecting that to be any less than difficult. I feel like I'll give myself tennis elbow, but they're not going to put themselves in, so onwards and upwards. Every time I look around this building, it's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Now, I just want to show you the end of this gable and how it's going to turn out. So, if you look at the purlins, they're actually floating right now, and the only thing that's going to support the centre of this that you're going to see in this open-ended gable is literally that post and these floating purlins. Now they're going to be connected by rafters, which is something we're going to jump onto tomorrow, because them purlins were a pain in the butt. They weigh a ton and they're really hard to get in. So if you've managed to stumble across part 3 and you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, I'll leave a link in the description. Probably best to start from there. And if you do want to see the rest of this build, because I'm sure there is a lot that we are yet to uncover and show you, tips and tricks wise, make sure you've subscribed, hit the notifications button, set your preferences to all, and then you'll get notified when we upload the next episode in this series. I'll see you there.